I like 𝒄𝒉. You see the locks? My bad. What's going on YouTube, guys? So another video. If your day's not going good, I hope tomorrow is better. Gotta subscribe, click the subscribe button, notification bell. If you want to subscribe, thank you for your loyalty. I apologize for the inconsistent uploads again. Football season got hectic, playoffs done started. Actually, we got a big game. Not tomorrow, we got a big game Friday. I'm recording this on 11/7. We got 𝒄𝒏𝒔𝒕𝒆, sectionals finals, bro. 𝒄𝒏𝒔𝒕𝒆 ain't been to the finals yet, won the playoff in some good years. By the time y'all seeing this, I hope they won. You know what? I got $50 on them. Today we got another POV video. Now this is, I'm not gonna sit here and try to deceive y'all and say this is today. This is a POV video from very early this season that I meant to upload a while ago, but I didn't. Y'all may have seen a couple snippets of this POV video as Reels or TikToks, whatever the case may be. But we have the full video here today. So this is Elizabeth High School freshman team. This was just an early morning game. And you know, some great shots. We love daytime shots because you can up that shutter a whole lot, get some nice action shots, as y'all have probably seen from the thumbnail. But other than that, I ain't gonna hold y'all for too long. Go ahead and check out the preset link in the description down below because I did use the football preset, one of the football presets in this video. Other than that, let's go. If everything goes well and y'all seeing this video, that means shit, this worked. But I can see we out here on the field. We at Elizabeth High School. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little late. We ain't gonna talk about it though. We ain't gonna talk about it. I'm on time, but you know, on time when it comes to football games is late. And I also need to figure out who exactly am I taking pictures of. Let's get that going. So 2, 5, 6, 7, 9. 2, 5, 6, 7, 9. Got it. Run it. Go, take it. I'm gonna punch in a little bit. We like that. I gotta put this shit at high. I'm over here shooting medium. Six, I need you. Need you 6. Bet.
Yo, you guys go football, pass and run.
Am I taking pictures at 2? I think I am. Yeah, I am. I'm fucking, bro. I just need 11. I need 11. 2. Pop rock on this side. Pop rock on this side. Hey, roll up, Zion. Yeah! Three. There you go, good. Okay, right here. Get in front a little bit. Oh yeah, 7. Oh yeah, 7. That's a good pick right there.
Show it.
See these. I like these. No, I'm trying to get some photos from in front of them, but I gotta wait for them to get a little bit closer to the end zone. Cause I'm gonna stand right in the flagpole. I'm gonna stand right there, right under that. Or probably sit. Yeah, I'll probably sit right under that and try to get some nice photos of them. But that all depends. I don't know. They may not get that close. But we'll see. Let's find out. For the video's sake, I'm taking pictures like this. I usually am looking directly in my viewfinder when I'm taking pictures, because sometimes it can be a little hard to track that ball and make sure your focusing point is in, you know, proper spot. So when I'm taking pictures of multiple players specifically, the way I usually do it, wrong phone, I put it on my checklist to make sure. I don't do this all the times, but I try to make a habit of it. So I'm gonna try to go ahead and have y'all make a habit of it. When I feel as though I'm good with a player and they have a good enough photos, I put a check next to them. So 7, I know for a fact he's good. Hey man, you're right. I gotta wake up.
We all do.
Yeah, man.
I retired and I still wake up at the same time. It's crazy.
Yeah,
4 o'clock, my eyes start opening up.
That's that habit. You done built that habit already, man.
Get that out of my system.
Right, right. My bad, the switch sides. That's fun. Let me get a real low angle for him real quick. My guy. Good with you, bro. How you doing, brother? How you doing? I figured I might see you here. Oh, my. 5, 6, 7, and then. No, I did. That was somebody that had went to Raf that make it. I'll go ahead and show your fellow photographer friends some love. A couple pics of him doing his thing in his element. Got to show love.
Coming this way. We're coming at you, Buddha. Move up. Move up. 14. Get him. Let's go, coach.
Nah, that's wild. Yeah, off an interception.
That was the only time they scored? Wow.
That's what I wasn't. I don't know if they had scored early. I mean, what'd you think? Like, did you finish? Like it? Y'all finished watching that whole thing? It seems like y'all really love the POV video, so I hope you liked it. Some great shots in this video, man. I got another POV video coming up right after, and oh my God, POV basketball. When it comes to basketball, I don't do that much photography. I do a lot of videography when it comes to basketball shit. The one POV basketball video I did is not getting nowhere near as much love as the POV football video I did. So something's up. Now, I don't know what it is, but we gotta figure that out. Right. Other than that, thank y'all for all the support on the most recent videos. Thank you guys for 2.5K. You know, I'm gonna try to get these uploads out as much as I can. Like, I get busy, bro. I get busy. I just did a wedding most recently, bro. I get busy with editing and shooting and filming, and I'll have the videos filmed, but I don't have the time to edit them because it takes a little bit of time to edit some of these YouTube videos, especially these POV videos. Oh my God. Jeez. Check out the preset link in the description down below. Check out the merch link in the description down below. You see I got the merch on, gotta rep the brand. Got to. Other than that, thank y'all for all the support. And yeah, don't be so creative. See you next one. Peace.